Now we'll talk about what a small power installation is. So looking at the drawing, you will see that a small power installation consists of an outlet, and that outlet, a load is connected to the outlet. The outlet is supplied by a cable or a circuit, and that circuit is installed within a containment system. That circuit has a protection device at its origin, and this protection device is in a distribution board. So what you are seeing now is what we call small power installation. Next, types of accessories or types of outlet. There are the outlets we use in small power installation can be categorized into two broad categories. We have portable outlets or accessories and fixed outlets and accessories. The portable outlets or accessories are used for equipment that can move, as the name implies, that we move not in a permanent location, such as your television, your laptop. Um, so these equipment, you can move them from one place to the other. They are portable. So for this, you will need a 13 amps socket outlet. You might as well have maybe a 5 amps outlet for smaller loads, or maybe a floor box. So 13 amps outlet, 5 amps outlet, and a floor box. These are examples of portable accessories, portable outlets for accessories here. The next is the fixed accessories. And these fixed accessories, the outlet they require is typically fuse connection unit, isolators, double pole switch, cooker control unit. You have your shower outlet and your industrial outlet, or maybe your three pole fan isolator is also considered a fixed outlet or a fixed accessories. The accessories can be mounted either on a wall, can be mounted on a dado, they can be mounted on a bench outlet or on a pedestal. The outlets also, we mentioned the outlet supplies a load. So what are the various types of load that we have? What we'll do is we'll break it down into the various rooms you have in a building and mention the loads, the various loads that will need an outlet. So in your toilet, the disabled alarm system is one load, hand dryer, sensor tap, water heater, shower, and your fan. Also your heater panel. In the kitchen, you have loads such as cooker control unit, you have your zip boiler, water boiler, you have your fan extract hood, washing machine, dishwasher, um, you have your fridge freezer and your microwave. For your mechanical equipment, you have loads such as your fan coil unit, your fan, your heat recovery unit, condenser, uh, indoor unit, air handling unit, your chiller, your fire curtain or heat curtain. Equipment within the room, within the building also require uh, power supply and accessories. So some of the equipment include the fire alarm panel, intruder alarm panel, door access controller, your refuse system, induction load, and your IT cabinet. These are the loads, various loads that you have in the building. And these loads, they need an outlet to connect to. So what we've talked about now here is we've talked about what is an accessory, the two types of accessories, fixed and portable. Talked about where we are going to mount the accessories on a dado, bench trunking, pedestal trunking, or on the wall, and the types of load that you connect to these accessories.